And so what I want to do is I want to raffle this guitar off. And it's $20 a ticket, and all the proceeds are going to go to the Robert Johnson Blues Foundation. And those guys over there, they work really hard, and they keep kids off the street, and also they get scholarship programs happening for young musicians, young blues musicians. So it's a really good thing, and I'd really like to be able to give back something to the music that we've all benefited from, because, you know, whether you know it or not, Robert Johnson's music has been responsible, you know, for a lot of music that you will hear today. You know, the Stones, Keith Richards, you know, cites him as a major influence. Eric Clapton, you know, he's made, man, he actually made a whole album of Robert Johnson songs. So look, it'd be really cool if you could buy a ticket. $20, it goes to a really good cause, and I'm kissing goodbye to my baby. I love this guitar, but it's going somewhere good. So yeah, so tickets are over there with my lovely wife, Naomi. She's got a hand up over there, so go over and see it, and you never know, you might end up with this guitar. So yeah, thanks.